take a look at the new murals going up around the valley during Black History Month. Black History Month brings us festivals, performances, and for the second year in Phoenix, murals. Cronkite News reporter Andrea Villalobos shows us how the president and CEO of a multicultural company in downtown Phoenix is joining the celebrations.
Since 1976, Black History Month has been officially celebrated in February. There are many ways to celebrate achievements in the Black community, and art is one of them. Tania Torres and her team at Torres Multicultural Communications wanted to amplify Black voices during Black History Month. That very same day, what she was looking for was at her doorstep.
We felt it was very serendipitous to have Gisette show up just that same afternoon, knocking on our doors, asking if we would like to be part of the project, which we, of course, enthusiastically said yes.
The Black History Mural Project, led by Gisette Knight of the Shining Light Foundation, is painting 28 murals in Phoenix to represent the 28 days in Black History Month. Torres chose a mural featuring 3 pillars in the Black community: Madame C.J. Walker, Mary Ellen Pleasant, and O.W. Gurley. Maria Madrid Reed is the artist in charge of this mural.
What I have is what I like to call the millionaires mural. All 3 of them were entrepreneurs in their time, and they make huge fortunes. And I think it's a wasted opportunity not to learn about them.
As a Latinx entrepreneur, Torres has followed Walker's story, and seeing her name on the list of murals felt like fate.
I was very excited because it's someone that I have admired for a long time.
Madrid Reed says the process for painting a mural can take around 2 weeks. From planning a design to finding a location, it doesn't come easily.
You don't touch the mural until you have a concise idea.
For Madrid Reed, painting this piece has allowed her to use her voice in a different way, through her brush.
We are making an impact. We are creating conversations through the art, and that's powerful.
This and the other 27 murals will be finished by February 11th. Business owners can leave them up for as long as they'd like, and Torres plans on keeping hers up for as long as she can. In the newsroom, Andrea Villalobos, Cronkite News.